Hi guys, my name is Enes Yilmazer. I'm a real estate agent in Beverly Hills, Los Angeles. Today we're gonna tour the penthouses right behind me. It's 132 Swall. It's 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 2,575 square feet. It is listed for $4 million. But the other point we wanna make on this video is we're gonna show you guys 2 penthouse units. One that is fully furnished and designer finished, the other one being absolutely empty. The reason developers do that, they wanna give you 2 products in terms of one you can see yourself living in and how the space would look once it's finished, and the other one is kind of a blank space so you can kind of design it your own way and put your finishing touches to it. Guys, so we're in the master bathroom. Although it's a condo, they're really going out of their way, starting with the skylight.
Lucky they have the penthouse so they can do this, you know?
Exactly, because they're on the top floor. And this is a feature I like in a certain way. I'm not a fan of it, but on the other side I am. You know, when you're married, you should be happy. You should be able to share certain things. So one good shower head should be enough. But let's assume that you both work.
Let's assume both of y'all need to get in the bathroom at the same time.
Yes, at the same time.
That's why they have 2 shower heads.
That is correct.
Or if you have a YouTube channel, you and your buddy can get in here, talk about ideas, you know?
Bounce some ideas. It's an interesting tub filler.
They got some coral bleaching going on.
Yep.
Save the reef.
Save the reef. But to give you guys a little insider on the tubs, there's 2 ways to put water in a tub. You can have a freestanding faucet that generally comes from the floor, or you can actually tuck your tub really close to the wall, have your plumbing lines in the wall, that way the spout comes straight into the tub. They went with that route. Again, double vanities, beautiful cabinetry, and of course, soft close.
Now, let's jump over to the empty one, see what it looks like without anything on the walls, without any towels, without any decorations.
And you have your master bathroom here, again, with the skylight, again with the same tub. Again guys, this is a duplicate unit between each other. The other one is just staged and has a little bit more color, versus this one is a little bit more natural, clean, ready to be personalized space.
That's right, that's right.
Here we are in the closet. Again, kudos. Looks amazing, gives character.
That top floor life.
Gives almost more space to the room. A lot of closet, beautiful details. I like the handles. It's all about that clean, tucked in, sleek closet design. We have our closet,
now this
magical
is
closet.
Just about the exact same.
This is exactly the same size. So we just went through the master bedroom, and you do get a little bit of a nice private balcony space here. Again, you're on the top floor, that helps. Nobody's above you. And West Hollywood, again, is very close. It's actually the bottom of Hollywood Hills.
We got Pacific Design Center right here, that blue, red, green building. Then we got the hills right behind it. We're pretty close to what, La Cienega and Beverly right now.
Yep.
So, you know, Beverly Center is somewhere over here, but.
And most of the buildings around here are going to be all multifamily and commercial. That's what this district is about. Other detail that I want to talk about that I really like, when they put these balcony railings, a lot of people go with glass. I actually like these stainless steel rods because they're easier to maintain. I actually believe they look sleeker, and glass is just very hard to keep it clean.
You don't have to clean these. If they rust, you just cut them and replace them, you know?
Exactly.
Just go to your nearest sailing store, get some boat rigging, just put it up.
You'll be good to go. This area consists of a lot of multifamily condominium units. That's why you see these big buildings around. And now let's go back into the master bedroom. Again, we see beautiful hardwood floors, herringbone style, which gives a little bit of more character and makes the space feel a little bit more esque, so to speak. And again, furnishing is what we're focusing on here because it makes a huge difference. You can kind of picture yourself in the space, and it kind of gives you an idea how you would position your bedroom thanks to this furniture.
Yeah, it's like staging is so important in these. We walk in, I think this place looks incredible. I mean, for $4 million, I feel like these places are going nowhere but up.
Yep, exactly.
And you see the staging and you're like, wow, I can see why this costs $4 million. It's a really nice place. But yeah, it makes such a huge difference. We're gonna take a step next door at the empty unit, show you all what it's like unstaged.
So now we're at the empty unit where I'm gonna show you guys the features of this apartment much easier. So we have a beautiful big living room space. Again, herringbone hardwood floors. They went with a little bit of a lighter color decisions on this one. That's why this unit may seem a little bit bigger. They have a beautiful, beautiful skylight right in the center of the living room that brings a lot of light. We have recessed lighting throughout. We have this gas fire pit here. Soon, I'm pretty sure they're gonna clad this with the marble like they did on that other unit. And then on the right hand side of ours, we have these pocket doors that they open, which leads you to your outdoor patio space. Let's check it out. And again, beautiful space here. This one is facing a little bit of a different direction, but it's the same finishes, same tile floors. Again, it's very nice to have an outdoor space, especially when you live in Los Angeles, because weather is good all the time.
Damn right. You better believe that.
Moving on, we're going towards the dining room area, which is very spacious and great. And let's talk about this kitchen, seriously. I mean it. Look at this beautiful marble cladding, where we have an island design here. And not to mention, they even book matched island marble right here. Check it out.
Pretty nice stuff.
Pretty nice stuff. And I'm sorry, but who wants to make their own coffee these days, old school style? You simply press a button, a Miele, $5,000 Miele espresso machine makes a coffee for you. He went with the wider finishes, which I actually really like. And cabinetry here is beautiful. I'm pretty sure it's actually all Italian. And you have the Miele induction system here. Check this out. I mean, that thing is quiet.
Unless you don't want it to be.
And slowly goes down. Moving forward, they've actually not only used this material as a countertop, they've used it as a backsplash. Again, ties in with that whole clean look. You have your...
And not to mention...
book matched.
Book matched. See there? Boom, boom. Boom, boom. It's all
My
about that book
favorite
match
thing that
slice.
is book match is Rolls-Royce book matches every single car they do. Meaning,
Like
if you
their
look at the car from the center to the dashboard, left and right side is exactly duplicate. And
All
again,
right, producer Michael with your Rolls Royce.
Rolls-Royce facts right here. Producer Michael got nothing on me. Another detail that I like, you can actually see it right here. Instead of leaving the fridge exposed, they put this panel right on top. So when you close it, it doesn't even look like a fridge. We have a beautiful outdoor space here. Again, we're in the heart of West Hollywood, bordering to Beverly Hills. I'm talking about a prime location. This is as prime as it gets, let's face it. But again, you appreciate having a patio space. A lot of these condos just gets a little balcony. This one actually gets a proper, almost a rooftop balcony right here.
Yeah, this is great.
The reason we make an episode like this is to show you guys the importance of staging, because staging helps people visualize the space, and that way they can see themselves living in the
finished product. So,
no staging here, a lot of staging on that other unit, and you guys are gonna see the difference in between. All right, everyone, so we just finished the tour, and I actually came to my own apartment. Obviously, it's not as nicely staged as these condos, but at least I have a pool, which is right here. But again, guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate your support. Make sure to smash that like button, because we just need it for the algorithm. And drop us a comment. Let us know where you're watching this video from. We're really curious. But again, thank you for watching, guys, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
let's go jump in that pool.
Yeah, let's do it.